Hello everyone, my name is Gister Nico Muniz and today we are going to solve for an AC circuit using Thevenin's theorem. We are assigned to find V by using Thevenin's theorem. So in this circuit, mapapansin mo na ito ay white Y. So ang una kong ginawa para mas madali ang aking pag-solve, transform ko muna ito sa delta. So using the rules for the Y to delta transformation, we can get for the leg A, B, and C. After getting that leg A, B, C, we can redraw it into this delta circuit. So after transforming this, we can now solve for ZO. For solving ZO, voltage is short circuit and current is open circuit. So this three sources is now open circuit. Since there is no voltage, there is no short circuit. So mapapansin mo, ito ay naka-series at naka-parallel siya dito sa leg C. So ang aking ginawa para makuha ang ZO is siniris ko ito, then parallel siya sa leg C. So ZO is equal to 1 over 22.803 angle 74.745 plus 22.803 angle 74.745 plus 1 over 17.491 angle 70.346 raised to negative 1. ZO now is equal to 12.649 angle 71.565. After getting for the locking impedances, we can solve for the VO. The current here is equal to 4 angle 0. Then the current also here is the 15 angle 0. So, ang kukunin na lang natin dito ay yung sa dito, sa loop na ito, which is for VO. So we are going to use KVL at loop X to find VO. Negative VO minus 6.325 angle 71.565 multiplied by 4 angle 0 plus 6.325 angle 71.565 multiplied by 15 angle 0 is equal to 0. So transpose natin yung VO dito. So VO is equal to negative 6.325 angle 71.565 multiplied by 4 angle 0 plus 6.325 angle 71.565 multiplied by 15 angle 0. So VO now is equal to 69.575 angle 71.565. So after getting the VO and the looking back impedances, we can solve for the I Thevenins, which is I is equal to VTH over ZO plus ZL. So substitute lang natin yung mga nakuha natin dito sa formula na to. So ITH now is equal to 69.575 angle 71.565 over 12.649 angle 71.565 plus 4. ITH now is equal to 4.824 angle 15.255 ampere. So using Ohm's law, we can now get for the V. V is equal to I times R. So V is equal to 4.824 angle 15.255 multiplied by 4. V now is equal to 19.296 angle 15.255 volts. So that's the final answer. Thank you.